We do left side leg front first. Okay? Ready? All the way down. You also 32 counts. All the way down. Stay. Hold. Continue. Count the music. 5, 6, 7, 8. 16 more counts. 1. Hold there. You're halfway. Hold the front leg. Stay. Good. Don't move. 7, 8. Last 8 counts. 1. Almost. Push it down. Loosen up a little. Last 4 counts. Okay, relax. Oh, you finished. Shake it out, shake it out. Relax. Okay, let's do our side. Okay, come on, everybody. Our side. Okay, we do our side like right side like front. Right side like front. And then you go down. Stay. Hold there, okay? Push it down your head. Let it go. 哎呦，海底开始呲牙咧嘴了，呲牙咧嘴。Okay, stay there. Don't move. Don't move. Beautiful. Yes, push it down more. Feel the hip, feel the stretch. Yes, almost done. 4 more counts. Very good. Okay, right now, front leg on the floor, sit. We hold up the knee, the foot. Let's stretch. Get ready. 16 counts. Ready? We count 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 4. Yes. Another 16. Right now 16 counts finish. Ready? Release. And then we go lay down. Okay. Also 16 counts. Totally 32 counts. 1. Good. Let it go. Stay. Breathe. Last 4 counts, okay? Almost down. More counts. Okay, girls, finish. Relax, relax, relax. Yes. And then you stand up. Make sure right side like front. Step front. Oh, yeah, Heidi cannot wait. Already down. Okay, guys, go down. Quick, go. Down. Stay. All the way down. 2, 32 counts. Be strong, okay? Continue. Counts. Push push down. Okay, you finished? Relax, girls. Okay, relax. Okay, everybody up, leg up. Yes, and then push up your hip. I use hand here, touch on the floor, your toes. Stay the moment, let it go. Feel your lower back stretch, let it go. Let it go. And up, bend your knee. Stay, just let it go, relax. Relax your lower back. Hold there, don't move. And straighten your knee, hold your mat. Let's get ready to do the stomach. Okay, ready girls? Let's do 10 times. Go up, 1, 2, up. Good. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stay home. Don't move. Relax. We do 12 times. Up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, stay, relax, get ready, we do 14, ready, 1, 2, up, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and you finish. Stay, don't move. And bend your knee. Stay. Right now, open arm to the side. And put your leg down. Stay for a moment. Hold, don't move. Stay. And up. We do our side, okay? Our side. Stay there. Just let it go. Don't move. And up. And straighten your knee. Arms stay in the place. Don't move. Right now we work on your upper back. And then go up, stay, shoulder relax, hold, and lay down. One more, sorry.